Hello friends, in this video we will see the need of web APIs. If you remember, in last video we have discussed the problem which we are facing when we are directly interacting our three applications with single database. So if you can see here we have three applications, which is one is website and second one is Android application and iOS application. All these three applications are directly interacting with the single database and we are facing many problems as we have discussed in our last video. So our goal is to establish a connection with the database, and for this what we will do, we will create a web API project. So as you can see in the diagram, we have created a web API project inside between our applications and our database. So with the help of this web API we can directly interact with the database. So these website, Android and iOS application do not have access directly to the database. They only need to communicate with the web APIs project, and it is the web API responsibility to interact with the database, and the entire business logic will be written in the web APIs. So web API acts as a mediator between application and the database. The advantage of using web APIs are given below. The first advantage of using web APIs is we can avoid code duplications. We can write the logic in one application, that is our web API project, and the logic is going to use all the three applications as we have seen in our earlier slides. The second advantage of using web API is application functionality. Suppose first we develop website, then we can extend and develop Android application again, and in the future if you want to add another type of application, then for this you don't need to write any kind of logic. You just need to simply call your APIs and use your APIs in your application. The third one is abstraction. As we have written all the business logic in our web API project, we have added a extra layer of abstractions. The logic that we have written inside the web API project will not be visible to the front-end developer. And the last one is security. None of the application can directly access our database, hence it provides security to our application. And thanks for watching. That's it from the video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.